Now, if you need some ideas on dishes for that picnic we were just talking about, or back to school lunches, these are both good tasting and good for you. Take a look.
It's time to head back to school, and today we've partnered with the American Egg Board to showcase some of our favorite nutritionist-approved meals and snacks to help kids excel both in and out of school.
That's right, Julie. When kids eat better, they learn better. In fact, studies show that when kids eat breakfast, they have improved test scores, fewer school absences, and are less likely to misbehave.
A well-rounded breakfast should contain a lean source of protein like eggs, a whole grain serving, and a fruit or veggie serving. So a couple great options we have are these make-ahead egg pizza pockets that kids can enjoy on their way to school. Or we love this egg and veggie scramble that's microwavable, and you make it in a cup in less than a couple minutes.
They are amazing. And eggs are perfect for kids because one large egg packs in 13 vitamins and minerals and high-quality protein in just 70 calories. They also provide lutein and choline, two nutrients that are important for brain development.
And remember, eggs aren't just for a breakfast. They're a nutrient-rich, all-natural protein source that can be enjoyed anytime. Whether your kids like their eggs scrambled, hard-boiled, or on a salad, they'll appeal to even the pickiest eaters. And when it comes to kids, flavor always wins. A great idea for a tasty breakfast, lunch, or snack. I love these Tex-Mex egg and hash brown cups.
Just be sure to use an ice pack for when you're on the go like we did here. Now, eggs are also the MVP, that's most valuable protein, for active kids. They help fuel kids during the day and throughout after-school activities while helping to build and repair muscle. Hard-boiled eggs, an apple, and water are perfect to keep kids energized all day long. For more excellent ideas on back to school, visit appforhealth.com.